be the best gift a mother can give to her child. Hi, this is RGV and you're watching RGV Vlog, where I am the crazy Indian mother. You want to know the real reason why I decided to breastfeed my child? It's cause I'm lazy. Imagine this scenario. It's 4 in the morning, 4 a.m. and your child got up and he's crying. Now what do? Do you A, get your ass off your bed, pick up your child, go to the fridge, open it up, get your pumped milk out, put it in a bottle, heat water, bring it to room temperature, yada yada yada, and your child's been crying for the last 10 minutes, okay, because he is getting hungry. And I am already tired. I'm so tired telling you the process. Imagine if I actually had to do it. Like, kudos to women who do it, man. Seriously, kudos to you if you have to. See, there's certain circumstances because of which you have to give pumped milk, or because of which you have to give formula. Maybe your supply is less, maybe the child isn't latching on properly. Seriously, salute to you guys, because I can't do that. I can't do that simply because I'm lazy. I can't get up in the middle of the night, go and heat a bottle and then feed my child, because this literally means me getting out of bed and doing a whole process that will take 10-15 minutes, because I can't do that. And formula, let's just talk about formula for a minute. You actually have to measure how much formula your child can have, and you have to mix it with how much amount of water, and then you have to calculate according to the age of the child how much the child should have. It's so complicated. It's so complicated that I'm getting tensed even while thinking about it. So to women who have to do that because they have no choice, salute to you, man. Salute to you. I honestly do not know how you do this. But for me as a breastfeeding mother, I am so glad and so happy and so thankful to God that I'm able to breastfeed my child, firstly, and secondly because it's the easiest way to do anything. Like, it's the easiest way to feed your child. If your baby is hungry, all you need is yourself and nobody else and nothing else. That's it. If your child is hungry, child hair, bring child to breast. That's it. And if you master the skill of breastfeeding while lying down, trust me, you are in heaven, because all I do now, see, we couldn't figure out how to breastfeed while lying down till our baby was like 3 months old. Before that, we just couldn't fit together that way. I don't know what happened, but we just couldn't. So I would like hold him like a cradle hold and feed him, which was also okay and it was also easy. But now we can feed while lying down. So all I do is I just lie and he just feeds. That's it. And I play games on my mobile or I read a book. That's it. That's it. It is so easy. It is the best thing possible for the laziest moms of all time. Like, seriously. A, it's beneficial for your child, and B, you have to literally do nothing. Best of both worlds, man. So if you're debating whether or not you should breastfeed your child, if you can breastfeed your child, I would highly, highly recommend it. It's like the easiest thing you can do in your life. Yes, the challenges are that you need to be available with the child always. Not really always. See, the initial few months are tough. Whether you formula feed, you pump your milk and feed, or you breastfeed, the initial months will always be difficult. But once the baby starts getting older, it gets easier. And like, honestly, breastfeeding is like the easiest thing you will ever do. Honestly. So that's it. Now you know. Now you know why I breastfeed my child, because I am a lazy bum. If you support breastfeeding, which I hope you do, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also comment down below whatever you want to comment down below. I don't know. If you have any questions regarding breastfeeding, I'll be happy to answer them. I'll even make a video if there are more